I made 5 fantastic paper planes. The Eastern Star, Straight and Narrow, Dirt Noise, Flypaper, and Triumph. Let's see how fast and far they go. Hello guys. Now I'm going to do this, the paper plane experiment. Okay, so first is the Eastern Star. This. So that's the target over there, and I'm gonna throw this plane, try to land it inside the target. But if it doesn't land, I'm gonna measure how long it takes. So I'm going to measure distance flown, time in the air, distance from the target. Let's start with the Eastern Star. Okay guys, so we're going to measure it at favorite spot. I'm still holding on.
Okay, hold on.
Beautiful.
Okay.
Come on, let's do this. Okay, starting point here, right?
Okay.
Flypaper.
Okay. Let's do it.
Woo! 3, 2. My favorite one, the Triumph A54.
Okay, let's go. It's very far.
The Triumph was the fastest paper airplane. The slowest was the Flypaper. Maybe because of the rectangle shape. Eastern Star did quite well too and came a close second.